Is it really possible to build muscle and lose fat at the same time? Yes, and this process is known as body recomposition. Recomposition simply means to rebuild or rearrange your body, shedding fat while gaining lean muscle. Now, this video is especially for those who've commented, "We're not gaining weight. What's wrong?" Here's the truth. If you're not exercising, especially resistance training like weightlifting, then even if your weight stays the same, your body fat might still be high and muscle low. So your weight isn't the full picture. What matters is your body composition. How much of your weight is muscle versus fat? If you're stuck or confused, don't worry. This video breaks it all down. And if your sleep is disturbed, the body can't repair new muscle fiber. Even small stress during sleep can push the body into fight or flight mode, which blocks muscle recovery. So always give your body time to recover. Why? Because your circadian rhythm, your natural clock, gets disturbed. This affects your sleep, recovery, hormones, everything. You should avoid any type of stress, physical or mental, right before sleeping. To sum it up, train smart. Don't overtrain. Eat for recovery. Sleep deeply. Respect your body's rhythm. This is the science of body recomposition. Let's talk about carbohydrates, the most misunderstood part of your diet. In a typical keto or low-carb diet, the fewer the carbs, the more weight loss you'll see. That's true, but there's more to the story. Carbs stimulate insulin, and insulin is an anabolic hormone, meaning it helps your body grow and repair muscle. So here's the challenge. How do you stay low carb for fat loss but still build muscle? The solution: increase your protein intake. By slightly raising your protein instead of carbs, you stimulate both insulin for muscle growth and glucagon, which balances insulin. This balance is powerful. Insulin helps with muscle building. Glucagon prevents fat gain by keeping insulin in check. So you don't need a high-carb diet to grow muscle. Just make sure you're getting enough quality protein. Next up, I'll show you how to structure your diet so you stay in fat-burning mode while still fueling muscle growth. When insulin levels go too high, the body switches into fat-storing mode. That's where glucagon plays a key role. It helps keep your blood sugar stable and also triggers fat burning from already stored fat. So if your goal is to build muscle and burn fat at the same time, increase your protein intake. Keep carbs moderate or low, because your goal is to build muscle, not to store more fat. In simple words, you don't want to get bigger by adding fat. You want to get stronger by building lean muscle. Now let's talk about fat, dietary fat. Yes, fat gives you energy, but if you're not careful with quantity, it can easily become store more fat too. So be smart. Use healthy fats like olive oil, nuts, seeds, but don't go overboard, because excess fat still means excess calories. Coming up next, I'll show you how to balance protein, carbs, and fats for real body recomposition results. Now let's say you're unable to exercise, and on top of that, you're following a low-fat diet and doing intermittent fasting. Guess what? You'll get tired very quickly. Your body won't have enough energy to support exercise or recovery. That's why healthy fats are essential, even in a fat loss plan. Fat fuels your body, balances hormones, and supports brain health. So how much is enough? In my recommendation, never go below 75 grams of fat per day, because fat is not your enemy. In the right amount, it's your ally, especially when combined with smart training and recovery. Up next, how to balance your macros for maximum results in body recomposition. Now let's talk about ketones, your body's natural fat-burning fuel. To truly burn fat, your goal should be to bring your body into a state called ketosis. This is when the body converts stored fat into ketones, which are then used as energy. But here's the catch. Even if you eat a lot of fat, your body won't necessarily enter ketosis. Why? Because when you consume high fat from your food, your body uses that fat for energy, and it ignores the stored body fat. That's why balance is key. You need healthy fat, not excessive amounts, to support hormones and energy, while still allowing your body to tap into stored fat. So, eat smart fats, keep carbs low, let your body burn its own fat, and protect your hormonal balance at the same time. This is the real path to sustainable fat burning and body recomposition. Healthy fats are not just energy. They play a crucial role in nutrient absorption. All fat-soluble vitamins, like vitamins A, D, E, and K, need fat to be properly absorbed by your body. That means eating enough good fats helps your body get the most from your food. Plus, healthy fats help keep your energy levels stable, boost your metabolism, and maintain balanced blood sugar levels. And if you're fasting, these fats help reduce cravings, making fasting easier and more effective. So don't cut fats too low. They're essential for your overall health and fat-burning journey. Now let's talk about fasting, one of the most powerful tools to reduce body fat. Fasting helps keep your insulin levels stable, which is key to fat loss. But what about muscles? Fasting can increase your growth hormone levels by up to 2,000%. To put that in perspective, exercise increases growth hormone by about 700%. So fasting not only helps burn fat, but also supports muscle growth, making it a powerful part of body recomposition. Fasting causes a huge spike in your growth hormone, which is the main hormone responsible for muscle growth. But there's one important thing. During fasting, you must take care of your electrolytes, especially sodium, potassium, and magnesium. If you don't, your energy levels will drop, causing what's called keto fatigue. To avoid this, eat plenty of vegetables for carbs and minerals. Also, drink lemon water with a pinch of salt. If you neglect this, you might feel muscle tension and fatigue. So, these are the key points I wanted to share, how different factors connect to help you build muscle and lose fat. At the same time, I hope this video is helpful for you. See you in the next one. Take care.